Look at that car with the shark fins at the bottom. That's a Cadillac.
What?
Yep. That's an old Cadillac.
That one?
Yeah.